Welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate the support so far. This week I'm going to be showing you how to hand pollinate giant pumpkins. These hand pollination techniques can also be used in your regular garden as well, for like zucchini, cucumbers, summer squash, butternut squash. So this isn't just for giant pumpkins, this is for basically for any of your vegetables in the home garden. A little bit different for tomatoes. Check out my short videos on that. Tomatoes are self-pollinating. So tomatoes have male and female parts inside the flower. So when you shake the plant, the pollen will fall inside of the flower. But in the case of a giant pumpkin, you need pollen from a male flower to be going inside of the female portion to pollinate the pumpkin. So let's just get right into it. We had a few pollinations this week. I think one or two of them took. Things are looking pretty good, but this video is just going to be geared towards how to hand pollinate giant pumpkins and vegetables in your garden. This is a female giant pumpkin flower. You can see there's a little baby pumpkin underneath this flower, and this flower is orange and yellow color right there. And that means it's going to open tomorrow. So a lot of people will zip tie this closed to ensure no cross pollination between other pollen grains from the bees. So next you want to go find some male flowers for tomorrow, so when you do your hand pollination. So we're gonna go grab those right now. Okay, we're looking for a male flower for tomorrow, and there's a male flower right there. You can see there's no pumpkin underneath this flower, and it's like I said, there's a little bit of orange at the top and a little bit of yellow there, so you know it's going to open up tomorrow. There's a few that I see. There's one there, one there, one over there, one over there, and I think there's one over there too. So we're going to pick these off. I'm going to put them in the house in a glass of water for the morning, and we're going to come out tomorrow morning and we're going to pollinate that female pumpkin. Stay tuned. Picked a few male flowers here for tomorrow. I think I got 6 of them here. I'm just gonna put them in the house in a glass of water. In the morning, I'll come downstairs around 7 a.m. or so. I'll put them in the window. They should be opened up by then, and we'll go outside and we'll pollinate that female pumpkin. I'll show you how we do that.
Okay, it's the next morning here, and it's about 6 a.m. The males are just starting to open. I'd give them, say, another hour or so, just to have them warm up in the windowsill, and then the warmer they get, you'll see the pollen will start to form and on top there. So they're just starting to open. And the female outside, I don't think it's open yet, so as it gets warmer out there, the female's gonna open. So we'll give it another hour, let it warm up outside, and we'll get that female pollinated. Okay, it's next morning here, and the female's opened. It's about 65 degrees. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little bird. We have our male flowers here. So first thing we need to do is peel these flowers. So I do this with one hand. All I did was just peel off the flowers, the petals. Now you have the flower left with a little bit of pollen, and all you do is simply just rub on this female and we pollinate the pumpkin. It's that easy. I'll do the rest of these, and it'll be the same process. All that pollen. So you want to get all around this female. And that's how you pollinate a giant pumpkin.